So guys, I'm back. Juan Francisco. I'm playing Survey Search right now. I don't know, but you know me. So
we haven't got this schedule.
So I traveled to Mr. Mexico. So let's go for it, guys. So weekly hunt in Mexico. I'm a unicorn for some reason, so I should change it to someone. Wait, see, I got every one of them, guys.
I'm sorry.
I really need to get him. That looks cool. I bought him, guys. Isn't that cool? You unlock many. I unlocked them, guys. Isn't that cool, guys? Unlock them. Should I unlock? Yes, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I think. Okay, I'm going for it. Oh, I locked it up, guys. Oh, look at that. So let's go, guys. Select. Okay. Action. So let's go for it. Let's see which. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's buy it. So let's buy it. Dude, I just unlocked that. See. Let's play, guys. So let's go play. I already got that one. Or should I do this one? So 1, 2, 3. Let's go. I just need to beat that high score. Really. I'm going for it. Let's see how can I get to, guys. So let's go for it. I can beat this, guys. Really. So, oh, Mexico. I'm doing this. I wish I was born in Mexico. I wonder how it will feel. Will you feel strange or not? Oh, shoot. I should have not done that, guys. So I should stop talking instead of just doing that. So I should be playing right now. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mexico. Left, right, left, right, left, right. I should stop talking. I might die just because of talking. So let's go, guys. Let's go for it. I got a 650 hoverboards. Look at it. You like it, guys? Look at it. Just look at it. Unlocked every people in Subway Sub except for the Dino one. Mexico X. So. Oh, come on. I can beat his high score. I know I can, guys. Let's go for it. Come on, Juan. Come on, Juan. Okay. Ooh, I got Mexiki or something like, I don't know. If I get, ooh, I need to get to 10, right? I just traveled to this land right now. Oh, I passed it, guys. Let's go for it. Mexico. Up. Wait. Alright. Left. Okay, I should stop saying that. Oh shoot, guys. Almost got me. Mexico. I got Mexico. Daily change completed. Yes, I got the mystery box, but the daily one though. I know I can beat this guy, so let's go for it. So, come on, I can beat this. I can beat this. I can beat this. I can do this. I believe in myself. Just believe in yourself. You can do it. Believe on yourself. So let's go for it. I don't know how to do it since I got the magnet. I got 4 things in a row. Can you see that? Come on, Juan, you can beat this. If I beat it, guys, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh shoot, he almost killed me. Oh, God, that train came straight at me, guys. So See how much coins can I get? Got everyone, but except for the dino one and someone else. I forgot to call him. I already need to get the dino. I need Facebook and something like that to win the dino. Think I can do it, guys? Let's see if my wish came true. Come on, my wish better have came true. I'd rather go for that mask. I got 4 right now, guys. Let's see if I can complete into 10. Come on, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it, guys. I can do it. 3 hours later. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm glad I had the skateboard. I mean the hoverboard. I just get confused with them. I never wanted to be I always wanted to be a YouTuber, but my mom said I was too young right now. Right now, I am like old enough to do it. Old enough to what I want to do. That day when I asked my mom could I be a YouTuber, she said no since I was like way too small, so finally I got to be a YouTuber. Oh, did you see that, guys? So close. You see how much money I got already? Trying to beat his. So right now I'm gonna try. Wait. I can't look away. Trying to beat 1 million, I think. Died. I skipped it because I died. See that? Oh, that's all the skateboards that I heard. All of them. Look at it. So ready, set, go. Oh, come on. So cool. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. By the way, we're gonna win 12 gift cards, and I pick, and if I scroll down and then I pick who has the best running, might win like a 20 credit card money for Play Store, and we have some for Amazon too. So please subscribe and all that. So guys, thank you. This will be the end of the video. Thank you.